And I was very impressed by the fact that actually while I was speaking to an audience that was not necessarily a machine learning or an AI or a robotics audience, that everybody was extremely interested in following, and they asked many questions of great relevance. So the interest of these people was genuine and very, very high. So it was very rewarding for whoever was teaching or lecturing to actually see such a good reception of what we were saying. The same thing in the lab, in the workshop I taught in the afternoon. Again, everyone sharing their problems with their companies, very interested in understanding the technical material that I was explaining in terms of machine learning. So it was really, I believe, a learning experience for everyone and also for me. So yeah. I really appreciate, the organization was great. So thank you very much for the invitation.